media. Yes, man.
Wrong country, Herman. So you have seen me react to videos of other people, but you have never in your life seen me react to a video of myself. And that is about to change. This reaction video, story time type thing video, comes to you courtesy of Stinking Rats. Or should I say, a stinking rat. Now I have lived where I live now for a few years. And this that you are about to see is the first time a rat breached my ends. Anyway, so me there chill, you know what I mean? I mean, I come with Guinea. I'm see something like a rat, like you want to crab in my basket. So I'm see the rat now, don't be surprised, my ball out. And like any good citizen of the 2017s, you know that anytime I see things like this happen, you just have to turn on the camera. Because I knew some internet shit, some world star shit was about to happen. Anyways, me get up and I walked also bravely over to the basket. Alright, walk over to the basket like a cautious coward. Why is there a basket there? I was using it to do some none of your business. So I grab up the basket and I fling it like Hulk. Alright, that's a lie. I take up the basket and I throw it like a afraid puss. Then I put myself in reverse. Now after me dash out the basket when me think said the rat did in now, I started poking said basket with a broomstick to scare off the rat. The rat never in there. So I'm gonna look behind the back and there was the liquor frigga. I don't know me already, but I'm a hardcore gangster. So I'm running for them ends well bilious. And I say, oh, the rat here about dead. Like the rat did a plan for me because him roll out back bilious sir than how me did roll in bilious. So me did have a take cover. I thought to myself that violence may not be the answer. So I decided to use some sonics, you know, to get rid of it. When me dip on the couch I do, me stand me ground, alright? Me stand me ground. Run in one more time, boom! And me sister the rat get jitty. I'm shook. Big man if you afraid of rat in that. When I see that now, I decide to corner the boy. Yo, come out of this. After I corner him, I decide to throw one of the most deadly things I could find in the direction of the rat. One bag of guinea, a bag of guinea skin and seed. Hey, that's all I did have for short time. I don't know why I do it because he never really do nothing miss it shit. Alright, now run up and down too much now. May I say what time for going for the final kill. Tell them what to go. Kill me up a killer. Just to make this clear for you, that was not a scream, it was my African warrior yell. It's an innate ability, you know, that was brought over with us from Africa. Let me explain how it works. You see, when African warriors charged into battle, they would use these sounds to confuse their enemies. The sounds were not screams. They were not screams at all. After their enemies were confused by the sounds that are not screams, they would then deliver some deadly strikes. Which is what I did here. I demonstrated a perfect example of the Mfwefwe war cry. That was the name of it. I remember the name, the Mfwefwe war cry. Mfwefwe, UNHFWE FWE. Mfwefwe. Say what I want to say, but reflex dep on point. Anyways, me try to get the rat CPR. I f*** him up. Bitch! You're dead. I don't know CPR. So my method of what CPR should be was not effective. It took the rat much closer to the light instead of away from the light. You're dead. Kill him. That's my Fue war cry again, because they would do it after they struck their enemy and took them out. Fue war cry. Alright, yeah, me know it. The rat made me its bitch. I'm still in therapy for it. I was going to apply to the NBA, the National Badman Association. Look like me have to go cancel that the application now, because can't be a bad man and a rat do this to me. But if there's one thing that I know, I would rather be a healthy live bitch than a leptospirosis dead bitch. And to all the rats out there, 2 letters. F U. I'm gonna scream when I run up on them. Yo, I'm gonna catch a rat and give me a thump a rat in a rat face. Man. If you want to see the full uncut video, it is on my vlog channel. The link is in the description. Check out my other channels too. Links are in the description. Tear up the like button, share, subscribe. Until some more bullshit happens to me again. This is Kevin Too Crazy. You think it, you believe it. Don't get leptospirosis. Kill a rat so that you can stay alive and live to achieve it.